Hey guys, this is a quick video about the KaloData. What are some important things for you to know, like the free alternatives that you can use? So the first one, very popular one that I especially really like is called the Ecotic. So Ecotic is an interesting one that you can actually like use only because like Ecotic, what it does is that you have like free tier available, Excel and Chrome extension, product selection tool with 60 plus metrics. This is like the TikTok analytic platform. Now the cons is that full features require paid subscription. You have limited multi-platform support. Some advanced features are locked. But again, this is kind of like the first one that you can actually like check out for yourself. And you have also like shop library with bestsellers. Now another one that is like SimpTalk. This is another one that you can actually like check out for yourself. So SimpTalk is 100% free, no credit card trial period required, all the data updates, unlimited shop tracking, category revenue tracking, shop ranking leaderboards, top products with all refresh, competitor comparison grid, but only 90 days of historical data versus 500 days in KaloData, focuses primarily on the US market, less comprehensive than enterprise tools and your platform. And that's for that. Also another one that you can like check out is a Big Spy. So this is also interesting one. It's a comprehensive ad spy tool covering TikTok and multiple social media platforms. So you have also free plan available, TikTok ad campaign insights, multi-platform support, ad creative database, performance metric for ads, and a free plan has limited features. So that's pretty much it. I want to make this like quick video for you. Hope it provided value and have a great day and goodbye.